What is up, YouTube? It has been so long since I have been back, since I have been on the channel, and I am so excited to be back, you guys. I got some story times. I got some good job info. You know, if you're a nursing and you're looking for a traveling job or whatever the case might be, if you've been following me up in nursing school, you know. Along the way, your girl has done other things. If you follow my channel, as you can see, your girl wears many hats, okay? But I'm gonna be talking about Airbnb and how to get booked out when you first put up your listing. How to put up your listing, all that good stuff, y'all. The next video y'all see is going to be the Airbnb listing. I am going to do a class on it, so if you guys want it, let me know in the comments. Ask me some questions, y'all. 2022, we gonna be about that money. I am your resource girl. I am where the money resides. I am about that free money, okay? And if you got a LLC or you're a sole proprietor, but you have a business checking account, or you've been in business for more than 2 years and you need funding, okay, get at your girl, the resource girl, okay? Y'all, don't let I talk fast. So if you're gonna be here, that's what it is, okay? I'm just excited to be back. I'm excited for my YouTube channel. I'm excited for everything, for y'all to be all up in my business. Not really, but you get it. Okay. If y'all have seen it, y'all have seen that you know, I got engaged. I have a fiance now. I've graduated. My kids are doing good. We're living pretty good. Everything, y'all. I'm going to be talking about Turo. I'm going to be talking about Airbnb. I'm going to be talking about easy funding for your business if you have one, okay? Over here, we have like 3 LLCs, okay? And we use them all. I will upload a video how to obtain the LLC and you know, get registered with your state so you can get to this money, right? Legally, okay? If you are or do have an LLC, you know, tax time is coming up, okay? And it's not just for tax time for personal, you know, business. You have an LLC, you need to pay your taxes on your LLC. A lot of people miss out on funding and things like that, or getting things in your name as an LLC because you don't file your taxes. So you therefore don't have any documentation or paperwork saying I filed my taxes on this business. But that's okay, because your girl is here. And if you look like me or you just feeling me, then you my audience. And we about to ride and we about to turn up on 2022 because it's ours. You feel me? I'm just ecstatic for the people. If you were here when I was in nursing school, okay? Okay, period, boo. If you were here when I was in nursing school and I was going through the struggle, you go back and look at the videos, you know, if you was keeping up, you know, I was interviewing people, you know, y'all, nursing school is not no joke, okay? I'm happy to be here to be able to look back, and I'm glad that I documented it, okay? So, it's me. Y'all, your girl has grew up. But, besides that, I'm just telling you what we got new going on, you guys, and I'm excited to give it to you. If you have not already seen my shorts, you can find me on TikTok, you guys. Same name as my YouTube. If it's not, it's Shaederrica T. That's SHAEDERRICA with a T, okay? Go run it up, okay? I'm not going to be giving y'all all this free money hot game if y'all not running up my subscribers. ain't finna do it, okay? And I'm letting you know that now. So if you get it together, y'all run up those subscribers, I got you. I got you. And I like to show receipts, okay? Your girl got receipts. Yes. How we get this money? I'm excited, you guys. I'm trying to put together some different classes for y'all. We got the Airbnb already class for y'all, okay? But I want to do like 10K, how to make that in 30 days. Very easy, very possible. You can pretty much click on YouTube and see how to make passive income. You know, I think a lot of people just are scared to take a risk. They don't know the unknown. But that's why you have us guys, content creators who go ahead and either try it first or already doing it so you can see about it, you know. So with the Airbnb, you guys, I actually, when I started the Airbnb, we started the Airbnb, me and my fiance, last year. It's so odd saying last year. But when we started it last year, we actually didn't have an LLC for short-term rental properties or anything like that. We just jumped off the porch, okay? We jumped off the porch. Y'all, we barely had furniture in the apartment. So when I tell y'all that the story gonna be real, the receipts is gonna be real, we were booked out, okay, all the way up into August from the first month in June. When I pull the receipts, when I put it up on the screen and stuff like that, you're gonna see. But yeah, it's money to be made out here. And with Airbnb, you literally don't have to be a real estate agent, okay? You don't have to be a real estate agent. You don't have to go through hoops and jump to post on Airbnb. It's so many opportunities on Airbnb if you're painting and hosting things like that, or events, you could throw events for Airbnb. If you have a home and you only have one bedroom you want to rent out, you want to just try it really quick, okay, you can try Airbnb like that. Or maybe your father or somebody is never home and they want a little extra money, help paying the rent, whatever the case might be. It's so many scenarios, okay? Yes, there is corporate leasing. Yes, there is. You can get an LLC and get apartments in your LLC, okay? But I'm going to keep it real with you, and I'm going to tell you what I did and how I got to that money. And I didn't do none of that, okay? So, we're going to keep it real world realistic over here, okay? Y'all, I'm excited to be back. I'm excited for a new year. I'm excited for my family. I'm excited for y'all. I'm excited for the people I'm about to meet. I'm excited, period. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Like it up, y'all. It's time to run them subscribers up, okay? Because I got something to say. And when I got something to say, people get paid. So, see y'all again, family.